Hey everybody, my name is Rachel Metz from Living to DIY, and I will be walking you through some more about Hampton Bay's 12 light indoor-outdoor 24-foot string light with single filament LED bulbs that are available at Home Depot.
The Hampton Bay LED string lights combine the beauty of vintage Edison-style bulbs with the latest in cutting-edge LED technology to bring you beautiful lighting where you want it. There are 12 single filament LED bulbs on a 24-foot string with state-of-the-art LEDs that never need replacing and provide a lifetime of light. They are impact-resistant bulbs that won't break when dropped, making them safe around children and pets. The bulbs are spaced 2 feet apart, and there's flexible mounting options with the mounting hardware not included. The Edison-style bulbs are the perfect accent to any patio, deck, or gondola. They have the long-lasting LEDs that provides 40 lumens of warm, decorative light. This string light's energy-efficient design means that you can link up to 600 feet for a total of 25 strings using one electrical outlet. These string lights are also tested to ensure your safety and are backed by a limited lifetime LED warranty, and I really do love that there is no need to worry about the hazard of broken glass with these lights, as they will not break if they are dropped. Just a friendly reminder to you, because that is key. If you are looking to add the perfect lighting to your space, check out Hampton Bay's 12 light indoor-outdoor 24-foot string light with single filament LED bulbs, available on HomeDepot.com.